Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So Fannie and Freddie, which is conventional loans, finally took action, not finally, they actually did it pretty quick, on the NAR settlement, which is the lawsuits in Missouri against realtors. The National Association of Realtors they settled that lawsuit, saying they're not going to show the buyer's agent commissions on the MLS anymore. So because we don't know exactly how this is all going to pan out, the mortgage lenders are like, okay, what if the buyer has to pay the realtor commission? Can we get the seller to credit that realtor commission? But if the seller credits are limited at 3%, that means the seller can't credit closing costs and credit the real estate commission. So what they've done is they've increased that limit now to 6%. So both Fannie and Freddie have increased that limit. So if the seller is paying your 3% closing costs and now they can pay you 3% more towards your realtor fees, if the buyer is going to end up having to pay the realtor fee, so it solves that in a way if the seller can't pay directly to the buyer's agent. Another realtor asked me, what about adding it to the loan amount? Would that add to the DTI? I mean, yeah, I don't see how you could add it to the loan amount. If you're putting 3% down, you can't go to 100% financing by adding the 3% in the realtor commission. The only real way would be for the seller to pay it or for the buyer to go unrepresented, unfortunately. When a buyer works with someone like me, I've actually had 3 buyers recently. It's rare. It's been rare historically for me, but I've had 3 buyers recently that have gone unrepresented by a real estate agent, and they've had to rely on me for advice on things, which I don't really like. I have a real estate license. I've had it for many, many years, about 15 plus years, 17 years. I don't use it. It's inactive. I just continue to renew it. But I also don't show properties or do anything like that. I'm not there for the inspections or anything, but I can help them with formulate your contract like this. Let me review your contract. Let me go over it with you. I recommend they go see an attorney for the contract. All I'm simply doing is giving recommendations. But working with someone like me allows you to go through a process where if you don't have the realtor, at least you have a professional, a licensed professional who's been doing this for a long time, closed thousands of mortgages in my career. Good luck finding that when you get a call center in Michigan with like astronauts or whatever the name of their company is, or any other of these companies that are these discount brokers that, oh my God, I'll give you this amazing rate. But as soon as they sign that application, good luck getting in touch with them. See if you can get the advice from them that you can from me if you're not represented by a realtor. Anyway, the point of this was not that. The point of this video was Fannie and Freddie have increased from 3% to 6% the amount of credit the seller can give. Mortgage Nerd out.